When it comes to planning your exhibit space, I know a lot of you may have that trade show mindset, but your booth space on the show floor is used to host those one on one meetings with those individuals. So, when you're planning for the space, make sure that you design it in a way that's one, not going to be too costly to ship materials or take too much time to set up. Really focus on the content of the meetings that are going to be in this space, but decorate the design where it's comfortable, it's an inviting atmosphere. You have the opportunity to showcase the products and services you offer. So, for the most part, in our events, you'll see a lot of high top tables for the nature of these one on one meetings. Some choose to do their meetings in front of a full product display, going right down the line. So, having some sort of product kiosk available where you can have tangible elements where builders can touch and feel the products that you have so you can see that they're different from competitors and set you apart. The other piece you want to include is making it collaborative. You're getting these builders face to face, you have them right in front of you, you're asking them questions, getting to know them and their business. We've started including incorporating kind of this whiteboard aspect of it. Write out notes, write out things that they call out, make it fun, make it interactive. You want to keep them on the hook. And, as John mentioned earlier, be salesy, but not too forward. So, incorporating new elements like this are really going to help with the collaboration aspect, which we've been talking more and more about as of recent, and getting them more interactive.
Yeah, I think that's something that's important that's not shown in the photos here. You'll see a lot of product manufacturers, but a growing number of our clients are platform providers. So just another thing to keep in mind, that if you don't have a physical product, you might want to have a TV. Go down the street maybe to a Target and purchase a small TV as a display to show your platform. If you don't want to do that, maybe an iPad, something like that. But don't go crazy, of course, but you'll want to make sure that you have something to demo your platform.
We do like the high boy plus stool height chairs, and that does a few things for you at the event. One is it minimizes the footprint that's occupied by that table. We do think getting somebody somewhat relaxed and seated is going to be more conducive to an open conversation where you could get to the kind of nub of the issue with them. You could get two sets of high boys and two chairs into a 10 by 10 space and then accommodate up to 36 one-on-one meetings. So I think that's important. And then just with regard to the whiteboarding, one of the things that we preach is don't just talk product features, benefits, and advantages, talk process supports, right? Builders and multifamily companies are incredibly process-driven companies, especially the biggest of the biggest, but even the smaller ones that have 16,000 parts to build into a house, right? So it's got to be within their process framework. So to me, part of what the discussion should be is the process supports that you have for a builder or multifamily company. And whiteboarding that out a little bit or using that to facilitate a discussion, I think can be a real sales accelerator for our sponsors.
Yeah, it goes a lot with the visual elements. As Colin mentioned, the TV monitors to showcase. The more visual you can get, even for stop by traffic, just to catch somebody's eye, it's only going to help you for sure.